layup. Ayan. Number 88, giving the ball. Looking forward. Number 8, jump shot.
Pass break nila. Pagkatira, mabagat. Pass break nila.
Leon, pwesto mo, pwesto. Mon, dito ka, Mon, dito ka.
Number 7.
So also can mano yayi la.
Blue ball.
Blue ball.
Blue ball.
88. Inbound the ball. Pass to number 7. Number 7 driving the ball. Drive. Pass to, but loose ball.
Tingin, bola,
Now,
tingin.
number 99. Number 99 take the layup, but now review by number 0. Bitawan ng bola, pinasa kay number 9 Sinan. Wow, nice shot. Easy layup for number 8. Rigonio, number 8. Kobe Bryant.
Ano nga number na ba?
Ayan po si Kobe Bryant. Pass to goal! What a move!
Ano number naman,
Number 9 to number 10.
Dikdik na.
Dribbling the ball. Looking for open to number 8. Number 8. Oh, there's a traveling code to number 9.
Push tayo, coach.
So, color ball.
Color blue.
So, color blue. Bakit hindi ka makapag-basket yan ah? Mga bata ito eh. Oh, Rigonio, number 8. Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant.
Ilalim nyo, ilalim ha.
Number 7 to number 8 ay fake. Kaya lang hindi pumasok. Wow, a body shot for number 88. Another chance. Now number 10 dribbling the ball. Looking for someone who's open. Pass to number 9. Number 9 layup. Kaya lang hindi pumasok. Rebound by number 88. Number 8. Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant. Nakalapang ng bola. Kaya lang hindi pumasok. Sayang. Loose ball. Same ball. Number 7 to number 8. John shot. Kaya lang hindi pumasok. Rebound by
Hit.
number 8. Called by the referee non-traveling. Violation.
Abilino. AJ. Yeah, this one. AJ.
0. Dribbling the ball. Pinababa ang bola. At pinasa kay Kobe Bryant to number 7, Dudu Jaworski. Jump shot, pinasok. Rebound, 0. Wow. Malaki yun. Foul to number 99. Parang anong height mo? Number 88 for first row. First row, wala. Ayan. Okay, ready for the last row.
Jay.
Number
Jay.
88. Oh, rebound by
Manyay ka.
Wala. Binaba ng mabilis yung number 9. Nag-bossy ng konti. Number 9 drive and pass to number 8. Ayan na. Pinasa. Ay, 0 jump shot. Nice. Natawagan ng foul si Jay. Number 10. Pushing foul.
Nice, Mon.
Nice foul. Ayan. Number 9. Binababa ni number 9 ang bola. Nagpaplano mag-crossover pero matindi ang defense ni number 7. Number 99 pinasa kay Zia. Number 23. Easy shot from number 23. Okay, Kobe Bryant. Pinababa ni Kobe Bryant. Ito na. Pinasa kay number 7 to Jay. What a shot! What a shot to Jay. Number 10.
Pesto.
Wala. Mr. 3-pointer. Kaya lang hindi pumasok. Rebound by number 99. Kaya lang last touch. By number 99. So, blue ball. Substitution. Number 4. Pinasa kay number 19 ba yan? 19 for 3 points again, kaya lang hindi pumasok. Turnover by number 5. Nakaba ng bola ng number 2. Pinasa, oy, board lang pala. Parang bilad lang. Banda.
Ban.
Every side. Umeke, hindi totoo. Jump shot, hindi pumasok by number 19. Pinasa, malakas. Masyado na lahat. Number 9. Wow, what a drive. Jump shot. What a shot by number 9. Turn. What a turn. Number 2. Dribbling the ball. Ganap ng babasahan. Up, 3 points! 3 point attempt! Beyond the arc! Pero hindi pumasok! Pero kanina pa rin ang rebound. Oh, man! Kaya lang. Last touch by White. So, goes to color blue. Color blue. Number 4 to number 5. Traveling for number 5. Sayang. Next time. Number 19, dribbling the ball. Matawid sa half court by Dobbs. Hindi pumasok.
Lasat puro!
So last touch by White. Color blue ball. Number 4. Nasa na po si number 4. Number 1 getting the ball, looking for open, pero hindi pumasok ang kanyang attempt sa Balizer. Number 9, hawak na naman ang bola. Lalo na papasan, pinasok ang number 5, nabitaw ng bola, pero hindi pinasok ang layup. Pinasok, na agaw, nasa by number 4. Parang nakita ko na ito sa PBA Number 25, nagkada magpapasahan, pinasa kay number 19. Back to 25. 25 to Jobs. Jobs, number 1, Jumark. May, pero hindi diretso. Mamatay na ang depensa. Nasa kay number 2, kaya lang inabutan ng
24 seconds. 24 seconds.
Shot clock. Okay, alright. Number 30. Okay, okay. To number 4. Number 4. Dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng papasan. Number 9. Attempt beyond the block. Beyond the shot. By Stephen, number 9. Parang eto na yung pangalawang 3 points ni number 9. What a shot by number 9. Jobs, number 1 to number 2. Number 2, a 3-point attempt. What a shot! Pasok by number 2. Now, number 5. Pinababa ang bola, pinasa kay number 4. Number 4. About 3 seconds. Number 4, 3-point shot. Beyond the arc, hindi pumasok. Pinasa. Kaya lang napitawan. Turnover, back to color blue. Another turnover. Pero it's okay. Number 2, napitawan ang bola, nadulas. Sayang. Number 4, tumatakbo. Pinasa kay number 9, bigay kay number 26. Number 7. Jobs. Dadala ng bola. Naghanap ng papasahan. Nag-try na mag-close over from the perimeter shot. Hindi na pumasok. Pinasa kay Sian, number 9. Tumuturo beyond the arc. Kaya lang hindi pumasok. An attempt beyond the arc. Hindi pumasok. Blue ball. Pinasa kay number 88. Binababa ni number 88 ang bola. Naghanap ng papasahan. Nabitawan. Turnover from blue. Number 10. An easy layup. What a shot. Now, yellow. Giving the ball to number 4. Sayang. Mukhang sinila na si number 4. Over the head. Double. Traveling pala. Traveling by number 9. Sayang, bitawan ng bola. Parang ang daming 8 sa color blue nag-crossover! Nabitawan na kasi! Hindi pumasok ang tiro ni Jay. Traveling.
Mark!
Traveling. Number 99, blue ball, down the ball to number 8, 08. 08, Rumay, pinasa kay Zero. Wala siya. Number 10, binababa ang bola. Right, relax lang daw muna, pinasa kay number 8. Mukha ng well si number 8. At tumira beyond the arc. Pasok by number 8. 3-point shot. Parang eto yung nagpaulan ng 3-point shot. Eto, mukhang babawi yung sa number 8. Sayang. Ano look pass. Pero hindi na-connect sayang. Siya, nag-easy layout. Pasok by number 9.
Jay!
0-8. Ang bababa ng bola. Nasa kay number 8. Right to pass. Kaya hindi na-connect. Sayang. Number 10. Off. Hit. What a shot. Mukhang magandang tira yun by number 10. 88.
Hawak! Nice!
0-8 to 8. Eric Neke. Tumira ulit. Mukhang pagigla.
Last one.
Efficiency. Parang shooter ko na nakaraan na. Pinapagod niya kasi. Number 9, nabababa ng bola. Looking for open. Number 8, another beyond the arc. Hindi pumasok, rebound by number 23. Touch number 9. Alright. 22, even lang. Pinasa kay 08.
Nice.
Foul by number 23. Finally, nakita ko na rin sa personal si LeBron James. Pero, to number 8, number 8, what a shot, nakakuha ng foul.
Gonzales.
Nakapagpasabit. A free throw shot for number 8.
Nice.
Medyo Wawalan ng hangin.
Ubus na ata kaninang maga. Mon box!
Oh! Pumasok. Push.
Harap!
Yan, number 9. Limit. Oh, what a side step by number 9.
Down.
0-8. Bababa ng bola. Pinasok kay 0. Looking for number 8. Number 8. Sabi niya.
Kalis kagad!
Lang.
Wala!
Rebound by 99. What a pass.
Sure na.
Alright. Gandang fast break yun ah. Walang hingahan yun ah. Another turnover from the blue. Lumeap. Nakakuha ng foul. Yan. Ang tawag na sport lang.
Relax, Jay. Relax. Dalawa.
Free throw shot for number 8.
Nice
First shot. Pasok. Another free throw shot for number 8. Pasok na naman. Talagang meron itong kinabukasan. The shooting. Number 8. Number 8. Set. Kabila. Number 08. Looking for open. Hanap ng papasahan. Binalik kay number 8.
Last one.
Pumasok ang shot. Pero rebound pa rin nila. Tumira. Si Zero. Pumasok. Rebound. Nakapit by number 23. 5 minutes. 5 out. 5-3. Door to redeem. White ball. Down the ball. So, pinasa kay number 1. Number 1, Pumeke. At Shimat, hindi pumasok. Rebound by number 9. Pinasa kay number 5. Nagsitin ang bola na tapit. Pero same ball. Inbound by number 5. Pumeke. Number 7. To number 5, hindi pumasok, rebound ni number, pero pasok yung number 4. Number 2, inbound the ball to number 25. Ibababa ng bola. Oh. Nasa kay number 2. Number 2 naghanap ng papasahan.
Oh!
Open si Jab, kaya lang tumama sa board. Ito na po, si number 7 to number 4. Boarding! Paralan now. It's time for boarding.
Ông ăn mua khoai tây hay mua gì hay mua?
Number 25. Si number 19. Si number 19 naghanap ng papasahan. Sabi niya, doon ka. Hingin ng low post si number 25. Binalik kay number 19 for a perimeter shot. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Job. Nakakuha ng foul. So, this is 2 shots from the free throw line by number 1. Number 9, foul. Number 9, foul. Ready for rebound. Second shot by number 1. Hindi na naman pumasok pero rebound ng blue. Si number 4. Kaya lang bilis silang buwaba. Ito na si number 9. Naghanap ng buwelo. Drive. Oops. Pinasa kay number 13. For a short hand. Mayroon hindi pumasok. Pero nakakuha ng foul si number 9. Pushing foul. Number 9, first throw, pasok. Second throw, tapos, hindi pumasok. Now, white ball. Number 1 to number 2. Yeah, but this is over back. Now, they are setting up 2, number 1. Ang ganda ng bounce pass, kaya lang hindi pumasok. Better luck next time. Number 4.
Nakita na kami kanina.
I see, hindi pumasok. Number 1. What a left shot, left layup, hindi pumasok. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Number 1 ba? Number 1 natin, number 5 to number 4, another boarding! It's time for boarding. Now number 7. Number 4, what a shot for number 4. Well, shot, number 4. Uy, parang nakita ko yun kay boss. Ano yun? Asan? Jitsu. Wow, ang lakas mo ni Balo. Ayaw. Minsan mahirap magatansyahin yung ikot, pero ang ganda ng rebound. Parang walang kasabay. Number 7 to number 4. Number 2, binigay. Jordan! Nagitag. Pero, malupit talaga si number 4. Hinga lang yan ng malalim. Sayang. Pinupasok. Hingal na ang blue. Eto na naman. Nag-easy layup. Ano siya? Number 7. To number 5. To number 4. Number 4. Nahanap si number 9 pero nakita kay number 13. So, a shot.
Grabe naman.
Parang masasabi mo, grabe naman. Number 2. What the turnaround rebound. Kaya lang,
45 seconds.
Tapik yata. Pero same ball, it's okay. 55 seconds. 30 seconds. Remaining time, 30 seconds. An easy layup. A third drop from number 1. 15 seconds. Number 13, number 5. Rebound by number 2, 8 seconds. 6 seconds. 4 seconds. 1 second. Ganap ng papasan, Drumayat, tumira. Wala. Ang bilis ng pass break. Kaya lang, bilis din ang baba nila. Number 9, side layup. Pasok. Pass to Jay, number 10. Number 10 to 0. 0, looking for open. Ganap siya, binalik. Kaya lang, natapit ni number 9. Number 9, last shot.
Andy! Screen!
Number 8 to 88. A perimeter shot from number 8. Oh, shooter to nila karana. Mukhang maalat gano'n ang timpla ng dagat. Number 9. Nag-crossover, nag-sidestep, nakakuha ng foul. For a bonus shot. Pasok yung 2 points. Sino yung foul? Number 88.
Kano?
A bonus shot from number 9. Hindi pumasok, rebound. Number 10.
Kano? Apritada sa minudo, magkano?
Diretso nila, pasok! From coast to coast.
Okay.
Sian to 3. Rebound by number 10. Number 8. Naghanap ng papasan. Hindi ko bitawan. Pinasa kay number 10. Number 10. Nabitawan ang bola. Kaninong bola? Same ball.
Ayos, pasa, ayos!
Number 8, another attempt from number 8. Hindi pa rin pumasok, pero ang bilis ng pagkaka-pass break. Binalik ay number 8. Pero nakakuha ng foul from number 8. Number 8, foul. This is another two shots, right? Oh, no. 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 Number 99. A turnaround shot from number 99 yung hindi pumasok. Number 8, binigay kay number 8. Number 8. Number 0. Sayang. Technical pala. Bigla tayo na. Technical si number 99.
Nagulat.
Pasok sana yun kung hindi nagulat eh. Nagulat kasi pala. 0-4. Ayan. Okay. Blue ball, same ball. Ball possession ng blue. 0. Violation, naipit yung bola. Sayang. Hindi naman sinasadya eh. Sayang. Number 9. Tara! Naman siya. Kay number 99. Dribble pa para titro lang. Kaya lang hindi pumasok. Oh! What a break! Ayan. Number 88. Finally! From number 8! What a shot kay number 8! From many attempts to the first shoot! Number 8. Finally, pumasok din. Tingnan natin kung magtutuloy-tuloy yan. Number 10. Gagawin ng bola to number 8. From beyond the arc. Number 8. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Jay. To number 8. Ang ganda ng pagkakaikot. Another shot! Talaga! Huwag butas sa area. Alright. Parang hindi namin nag-iisipan yung tira. Talaga mapasok na talaga ngayon ah. Another from number 9 beyond the arc. Hindi pumasok. 23. Rebound by number 88. Ito si number 8. Pinasa kay Jay. Jay, drive, binikot. Kaya lang nabitawan ng bola. Binalik kay number 8 from Kuminito sa Tiwara shot again. Buwawala. Tuloy-tuloy na to. Tuloy-tuloy na. Hanggang Pasko. Number 9. So number 8 from beyond the arc. Ito yung tumitira nung nakaraan. Kaya lang hindi pumasok ngayon. Pero talagang masipag si number 9. Hindi lang magaling, masipag pa. Pwede pa. Alright. Number 8. Pinasa kay 0. 0 from beyond the arc. Para basa mo na. Number 10. 36 to 41 in favor to the blue team. 99. Hindi na pumasok ang rebound by number 9. Bola! Number 10. Ayan, si number 10. Jay, binalik kay number 88. Sabi ni teammates, easy lang daw. Jay again to number 8. Number 8! Wala na. Okay lang. Sunod-sunod naman eh. 6 points from you. An easy layup. Coast to coast. From number 10.
Grabe.
Number 10. A defense from number 10. Bumukos. Hindi na pumasok pero rebound. Nag-follow up. By number 99. Number 88, pinababa ang bola. Ganap ng papasahan, hinintay si number 8. Number 8 from beyond the arc. Hindi pumasok, rebound by number 26. Act of shooting yata yun ah. Act of shooting. So that's probably a free throw shot for number 26.
Hindi na ako makasot. Wala ka si Sir Jimmy sa loob. Ayan.
Hindi pumasok yung dalawang free throw. Substitution. Number 26 out. Number 7 in. Blue team. Number 25. Ganap ng papasahan. Binigay kay number 2. Number 2. It's a setup from number 99 beyond the arc. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by number 08 to number 7. Binalik kay 08. Oh! Kaya. Rebound by number 48. And his shot is connected.
Good evening po.
Number 22.
Ka pala, hindi ka napansin, gwapo ah.
Kararating lang po, galing trabaho.
Dapat mag-attend ka sa amin para lumabas kami.
Yun nga eh, kaso wala po time.
Number 7, 8.
Madami po akong turo.
Hindi lang pumasok, pero nagkaroon sila.
Opo, opo.
Oh!
Fully book po ako every summer.
Number 19.
Nagtuturo ng mga bulilit.
Pasok. Number 7. Drive by number 7. Grab number 13 to number 8. Number 9. Modelo. Likot. Dala sa Brown. A shot by number 08. Pasok. 08. Number 2. Score 42-45 in favor to color blue. Three-point attempt, hindi pumasok, pero rebound pa rin nila. Layup, hindi pumasok, rebound by 08. Number 9. Fast break to number 5. At sila. Kaya lang, hindi pala easy. Rebound by number 1, pero still nila. Oh! What a shot! A bonus shot from a free throw line. A bonus shot. Pumasok, rebound ni number 25. Number 2. Number 2. Pero there's a pressure from number 7. 19. Grab ball to number 25. Pressure. Pressure defense by number 1.
Tapusin mo.
Jobs.
Ito yung malaking naabutan niya po.
Pumasok. Pero rebound pa rin nila. Number 2. Step back shot.
Mana sa anong height? Mana sa kapitbahay. Lahat sa namin na. Akin lang yung height, okay na.
Number 9. Number 7. Pero there is a blocking foul.
Naglaro pa ng umaga yan.
25. Blocking foul.
Naglaro pa ng umaga yan. Sa kanila ng player.
Reserve time out.
So ngayon,
Pasa mo na.
number 1. Dadakdak na ni number 1. Pero Nea, okay na daw ganyan na lang. Time. Mamaya.
Sir Pat, wala daw. Time out.
Probably. Sayang. Time out. Blue. Ano na ba sila? White. Number 9 from 3-point shot.
Lagi naman!
3-point line.
Bala ka naman!
Number 7. Tawag lang yun ah. What's your height? Number 2 to number 19 to number 1. Hindi lang pumasok. An open shot from number 1, hindi lang nagpasok. That absent. Number 9. Still by number 25, pero bitawan pa rin. Nakuha ni number 1 behind the block. By number 1, tinaradyo nila. Hindi pumasok. Pero rebound by, yes. Time, 46 seconds. Number 5, rebound by 19. Number 1, tumiretso naman si number 1. Kinalita na naman ni number 1. Nakakuha ng foul, counted. 35 seconds. Time remaining, 35 seconds. Score, 48-49 in favor to Blue Team, GDIMC. Rebound pa rin pala nila. Ito na. First one na. Time, 28 seconds. Time remaining, 28 seconds. Rebound pa rin ng right team. 19 from beyond the arc. Kaya lang bumanto, pero rebound pa rin nila talagang sa counted. Time remaining, 14 seconds. Score, 50-49 in favor to Rubin this time. Very close fight. A bonus shot. Time remaining, 14 seconds. Number 8, Terry. Time remaining, 0.6 seconds. Time remaining, 0.6 seconds. Drive, Mulea, hindi pumasok. Jordan from beyond the arc.
Mới mới để lên bài nữa.
From beyond the arc, hindi lang pumasok. And at first attempt to this quarter. Number 4. Number 4, buti mabitawan, pero nasagip ni number 8. Tumutulay. Nakakuha ng foul, number 8. 99. So it's a lot of shooting. So beyond the free throw line for number 8. First attempt, pasok. Hindi pumasok, na-rebound ni number 9. Ang bilis mo ba? Number 8, nag-fade. Pinasa kay number 9. Hindi na pumasok. Hindi na naman pumasok. Hindi pumasok. Sayang. Number 4, gana mapapasahan. Number 10 to number 08. Number 10 again, a shot. And a touch break from number 9. Kaya lang, last touch by number 8. So blue ball, 08. Ibababa ng bola si 08. Ganap ng papasahan. Sabi niya, okay, set up muna tayo. Set muna tayo. Pinasa kay number 8 to number 08. Kaya lang, supalpal. Block by number 1. Number 9. Pinasa kay 9. Ang ganda. Kitang-kita para may telescope. Number 10 to number 4. Gusto pag-aanin between the leg. Kaya lang hindi pumasok. Crossover and easy layup from number 9. Number 18 to Survey. Nabababa ngayon ng bola. So chill lang daw muna. Chill lang muna. So si number 8, natapik ni number 99. Supposed to be a very good steal, kaya lang hindi. hawakan ng gusto. So, number 18. Brian Vanessa. Time remaining.
Bấm. Bấm đi.
Nice. Right layup. Under the ring by number
Thôi bây giờ
10.
mấy ổng khỏi tính cái đó đi.
Number 19 dribbling the ball.
Dribble, dribble. Nghĩa là Ôi,
Jobs. Let's to the number 8. The pass break, an easy layup to number 88. Number 88. Si Daddy number 88. Daddy ka na ba talaga? Substitution. Number 8 from the underarm. Di pumasok. Rebound by number 1. Number 1 to number 9. Nakakuha ng foul. So it's a lack of shooting. Substitution. 0-8 out. And sino ba? Number 9. Number 4 foul. From the free throw line. Number 9. First shot, pasok. Another free throw. Pasok na naman. May ring ba? Parang walang ring ah. Number 88 to number 8. Parang lagi talaga nilang hinahanap ito ah. Si Kobe Bryant, duman, crossover ang galing na mo. Sayang. From the attack, number 4. Pumasok. Sayang, pero rebound ka rin nila. From number 8. Ay, rebound. Nakakuha ng foul si number 4.
Substitution na.
Number 4 out. 0 in.
Balik na number 4 ah.
Number 9. Dribbling the ball. Siya na ngayon nag-orchestrate ng bola. Yan, drive na si number 8. Pumersa na. What a shot from within the free throw line. Number 88. Kaya doon ka. Number 8 from behind the arc. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by number 9. Alam, so Brian tira ni number 10. Parang ang daming rebounder ng ano ah. Kumahapit na yata yung Manta. Hindi. Sub daw, sub.
Report na.
What a shot by number 0. Number 2 to number 9. Si number 9 na ngayon ang orchestrator ng bola. Orchestrator ng bola. Drive. What a shot! Parang ang hirap na shot nun ah. Time out! Blue team! Number 5. Pagbababa ng bola. Naghanap ng papasahan. Binigay kay 05. 05 naghanap ng papasahan. Ayan, pinipwersa ni number 10 ng depensa. Number 9. Pass 2. Ang ganda sana ng basa. Kaya lang medyo nadulas yung bola sa kamay. Another pass break. Alam, muntik na loose ball. Number 10. Sabitawan ng bola. Pero, still, another turnover from white team. 0 from behind the free throw shot. Foul. Several attempts granted with foul. Ayos, several attempts granted with foul. Nice. Another free throw. Hindi pumasok. Ayan, talaga lumilipad si number 9. Number 99. Hello! Nice! Ang ganda ng paso sa ilalim. Hindi na naman pumasok. Sayang. Pero nakakuha ng foul. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Third person.
Harap na harap! Dali, dali, dali!
Dalawa pa time out namin ha.
Dalawa pa time out kami.
Pero last touch na lang. Fouled by the referee.
Ano tayo? Time out. Kunin mo na yan! Kalas, 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 kalas! Kalas!
Number 10. Steal by number 10. Another steal game in number 9.
Pwesto lang, pwesto lang!
Number 9. Double team.
Yan!
Number 10 to number 9. Ulikot. Sayang. Bigay kay number 10 to number 99. A fake. Time remaining 1 minute and 47 seconds. Foul by number 10.
10 na.
Hot team warning for penalty.
Yun yung play na
Second shot by Sian.
Huli!
Libulasok, but rebound by number 1. Number 1, bilis magbaba ng bola, magkasabitawan. Pero buti nakapit ko sa bola. Oh, traveling.
Hindi naman sinasadya. Accident.
Hindi naman daw sinasadya. Aksidente. Dapat considerate
Harap, harap!
Number 9, a layup from left hand. Score 66-58 in favor to Redeem Team. Number 1, nabitawan. Number 1, binigay kay number 19. Hindi ata 19 yan. To number 99, nag-fake, nag-drive, binigay kay Sian. Back to number 1. Pasok. Got it. Number 8. It's 26.
mga ano yan eh. Mga agogo dahil.
Remaining time, 36 seconds.
Yun nga rin naisip ko eh.
Number 9 to number 99 from beyond the arc. Dito pumasok, rebound by number 9. Remaining time, 22 seconds. Sayang, last touch.
Nagulat si Mon. Last touch ang referee.
Last touch ang referee. To 9. Remaining time, 16 seconds.
may bayad oh.
A hasty move from number 9.
Lare.
From beyond the arc, rebound by number 9 to 99. An easy shot, pero naisi.